When you're in the field and the clock is ticking, tires in good working condition are absolutely critical. That's why inspecting your tires before the season starts is vital. And Firestone Ag has made it easy with these 7 simple steps. The first step is to check the inflation pressure. First, take the valve cover off, and then check the pressure with a gauge, preferably a digital one for maximum accuracy. Step 2 is to check the sidewalls. Just take your hand and rub it along the side of your tire. What you're looking for here is any nicks, cuts, or tears. This tire has one little nick, but it's not deep, so we don't need to replace this tire. Step 3 is looking at our tread depth. Use a ruler or a tread depth gauge to check the level of wear on your tire. In the center of the tire, we're looking at how much skid is left on the tread. Check your owner's manual to find your recommended tread depth. Now inspect the tread area. What we're looking for is damage to the cords and stubble damage. There's some stubble wear here, but it's not exposing the cords, so in this case, you wouldn't have to replace the tire. This is where you take a look at the tread bars and make sure you're not over or under inflated. If more than 3 bars are making contact, that means there's not enough pressure. But if you can put one finger between the bar and the tire, then you've got too much inflation pressure. First, always make sure the valve cap is on, because that protects the valve from getting dust and mud in it. Next, check the valve nut itself using a 5/8 wrench. Make sure the nut is properly secured to the rim. For the 7th and final step, all we do is check all of our lug nuts to make sure they're properly torqued. What you're looking for is a strong, snug fit. These 7 steps might seem simple, but the truth is, they let you catch all of the major problems that can lead to serious downtime and ultimately lost productivity. That's why it's important to run through these steps before you hit the fields in the spring or at harvest time.